Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to give you some morning warm-ups, simple set of exercises to do, and I'll just get underway. So, to begin with, we're going to start with some lines. And how we're going to do that is we're going to do 10 of these. We're going to do point to point, okay? And then just trace the line and then, whoop, yeah, just like that. And we're going to do 10 of these, so 1, 2, just like that. And then maybe we'll just use these 2 points, like that. These 2 points, like that. These 2 points. So when you're going vertically, this one you have to hold your pencil a bit tighter and use your arm to do it. Yeah? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines so far. Let's go. 1, 2. That's 6. 1, 2. That's 7. 1, 2. That's 8. Oops. That's 8. 1, 2. That's 9. And 1, 2. That's 10. Okay. So now we've done our 10 lines. We're going to do a little bit of a different one. We're going to do 1, 2, and then we're going to just curve that line. Doesn't matter how we curve it. We just need to be curving it from point to point. 1, 2, that's 2. 1, 2, that's 3. 1, 2, that's 4. 1, 2, that's 5. 1, 2, that's 6. 1, 2, that's 7. Oops, 7. 1, 2, that's 8. 1, 2, that's 9. 1, 2, that's 10. Alright, so now we've done straight lines, we've done curved lines. Next we're going to move on to a bit of perspective. So we do 10 of these, 10 of these, and then 10 of these. So 1, 2, and then just adjust that, like so. Actually, wait. No, scratch that. I'm going to do something slightly different. So from here, you're going to put a point in the middle of the page. Then from here, you're going to draw 1 square. You're going to draw a second square, a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, an eighth, a ninth, and a 10th. Okay, and then you're going to connect all the lines, all the corners to this point. Oops. Now, I am tempted to give you a few more of these, but I think that is enough for now. So you're going to have 3 exercises to do. 10 straight lines, 10 curved lines, and our 10 perspective squares. And if you just do that every morning, you're going to see a marked improvement in your line work and your curved lines and your perspective, your understanding of perspective. So just do those. If they get boring, that's good. When you get bored, that's when you change them up. So these ones, instead of making it random, you could turn them into a little bit of a shape or a form or a person or whatever you want. With these ones, you can do the same, or you can use these curved lines as a starter for doing figure drawing and use them as the line of action. And you just draw figures from imagination. The last one, the perspective, there's several things you can do. I've mentioned them in other tutorials, but you can just add more and then make that sort of thing, or you can have it curve a little bit to give like a different kind of impact. Yeah. So whatever you choose to do, whenever you get bored, Whenever you get bored, that's the time. That's the time to change it up. That's the time to have fun with it. If you're still struggling to get through the exercise, if you're still learning how to do it, then just stick to the exercise. But once you start to get bored, boredom is a good way to tell when you should change things up. If you get bored with whatever you're drawing, change it up. If you get bored with doing the same thing every day the same way, change it up. That's when you want to change it up. Because when you get bored, that means your brain's telling you you need to go and change things up. Now, if you're one of those people who says, I always get bored, that means you haven't really found what you want to do. That means you should try more and more and more and more and more until you stop getting bored. If you're perpetually bored, then we come to a different kind of conversation. But keep trying stuff. You'll probably settle on something that you actually like doing every day, and that will actually become your morning exercise. This is just a base. I'm going to take the thinking away, and you're just going to do this, and then you find your own way to do it afterwards. Cool? Because that's what being a creative is all about. Finding your own way through things and finding solutions to things that no one else ever thought of. Cool? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I love hearing from you guys. I love the comments that I get, and I love all of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.